Tired of the snow and ready for summer? Then check out this Candice Cocktail. We're gonna take 1.5 ounces of gin, half an ounce of St. Germaine, half an ounce of some grapefruit juice. Then we'll take 1/4 ounce of lime juice and 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Now we're gonna give it a good shake. And we're going to take our glass here, and we're going to strain it in. And then we'll top it off with a little bit of sparkling water. And there you have it, the Candice. Now for more cocktails like this, go to my website, cocktailswithcody.com. And until next time, I'm Cody. See you soon.